MetaMask is a software cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and its decentralized applications. MetaMask is a software cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and its decentralized applications. You can use MetaMask as a browser extension or a mobile app to store and manage your Ethereum-based tokens, send and receive transactions, and connect to various decentralized applications. MetaMask also offers a service called Swaps that lets you exchange tokens at the best rates across different decentralized exchanges. MetaMask was created by Consensus, a blockchain software company, in 2016. Its goal was to make Ethereum transactions simple and intuitive for users. Today, MetaMask is one of the most popular and trusted crypto wallets in the Web3 space, with over 21 million monthly active users. MetaMask's mission is to democratize access to Web3 and empower users to control their data and identity. How to set up a MetaMask wallet on a desktop. To set up a MetaMask wallet on your desktop, you need to follow these steps. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the MetaMask extension. Download and install the MetaMask extension for your browser. Next, you need to agree with the MetaMask and continue with the setup. To get started, please read and accept their policies and proceed. The first step to creating your wallet is to create a strong password and confirm your password. You are good to go. Securing your wallet is very important. This video will show you how to do it. Watch and continue with Secure My Wallet Recommended. Your secret recovery phrase is a set of 12 words that can help you restore your wallet. Write it down and keep it in a safe and private place. This is the third step to creating a wallet to note your secret recovery phrase in a safe place. You will need it to confirm your identity and access your wallet. To confirm your secret recovery phrase, please fill in the missing words here. Congratulations! You have successfully created your wallet. To proceed, please press the Got It button. This is your wallet account. You can use it to manage your Ethereum settings, import tokens, buy and send crypto, and view your transaction history. This is your MetaMask extension setup. It shows your tokens, NFTs, and activities. MetaMask is a cool tool that lets you use blockchain apps and crypto in your browser or phone. You can do amazing things with it, like accessing WorkAsPro, a platform that connects freelancers and clients using smart contracts and crypto. With MetaMask, you can easily join WorkAsPro and start working or hiring on your terms. You can also send and receive payments in crypto and keep your data secure and private. Sounds awesome, right? If you want to try it out, you can download MetaMask from their website. It's free and easy to use.